Now we will discuss about something classful addressing. It is very important for the exam, classful addressing and classless addressing. So first we discuss about it. So first, in the case of the computer network, each and entire IP address is divided into 32 bits. 32 bits. So maybe there is, and also you know that it is divided into two parts. One is called network ID and another is called host ID. Okay. So if I take network ID as 8 and host ID is what will happen? 32. Entire thing is 32. So you have taken 8 as a network ID. So remaining 24 as host ID. Okay. So how many network ID I can get with 8 numbers, 8 binary numbers? It is 2 to the power 8. And how many host ID I can get with 24? That is 2 to the power 24. Okay. So this is 2 to the power 8 means I think it is 256, and 2 to the power 24 it is basically what, maybe 16. Well, I think it is 16 millions. Okay. Now we will discuss about classful addressing. Okay, classful addressing. Classful addressing. So classful addressing, let us discuss. Okay. So as we know that entire IP address is divided into 32 bits. So entire IP address is 32 bits. So total number we can generate 2 to the power 32. Now let us suppose take one thing way. So among the 32 bits, I have chosen the first MSB as some number. I have chosen this one. So I have chosen one bit, and how many number are remaining? That is 31 bits. Okay, that is 31 bits is remaining. Okay. So with one bit, how many parts you can divide the entire network into two parts, because we have previously shown that with one bit you can divide the entire thing into two parts, that is 0 and 1. So if I chosen the MSB one MSB, so I can divide the entire network into two parts. If I choose the one bit, any one bit of MSB, I can divide the entire network into two parts, among which maybe the first part will have all zeros in that MSB, and in the second part all ones in that MSB. Okay. So if one bit is taken, how many bits remain is there? It is 31 bits. So with 31 bits, how many number we can generate? That is 2 to the power 31. Okay. So it is 2 to the power 31. So this is nothing but this number is for class A, and for this part it is 2 to the power 31. So this is 2 to the power 31 and 2 to the power 31. First MSB is 0, and for this case first MSB is 1. Okay. Now this is for the class A. Okay. So this is for the class A. Now we will take this one. So this is for the class A, which whose IP address will start with all zeros. Okay. Now let us consider this one. So already I have chosen the MSB as all ones. Okay, and I am remaining 2 to the power 31 bits. Okay. Now it can be, I will choose, for this case I have chosen one bit. Now for this case I will choose 2 bits. I will choose the 2 bits. One already there. Let us see. One is already there. One from here. One is already I have chosen, and I will do the next MSB. I will do another MSB. So it can be either 0 or 1. Okay. So it can be either 0 or 1. So this is first one, and I have chosen this part. So it can be either 0 or 1. So for 0, what we can do? We can divide like this way. So if we choose the first 0, then what will happen? Already 1 is there, so I have chosen 0. So there will be first 2 MSB will be all 1 0 1 0 like this way, and for the second part, another part, it will be 1 1 1 1 like this way. Okay. And if 2 bits are chosen, how many bits remaining? It is here. It is 2 to the power 31. So I am dividing it into two parts. Already 1 0 is there. So how many bits remaining? It is 2 to the power 30. And for this case also it is 2 to the power 30. So any IP address whose first octet is 10 is considered as class B. Okay, this is called class B. Now I can consider this part. So I am again considering this part. Already 2 bits has been chosen. For these 2 bits already has been chosen, and there are some bit left. Okay. So what are the 2 bits for this chosen for this entire part? It is 1 1 already chosen. Again I am taking another bit. It may be 0 and 1. So I could divide the entire network again into 2 parts. First with 0, that is 1 1 0, 1 1 0, and rest thing are there 1 1 0, and another is with 1, so 1 1 1 1 1 1, and like this way. Okay. So 2 to the power 30 is divided into 2 parts, among which 1 bit is taken. So how many number are there? So it is 2 to the power 29, and this is called class C. So class C address are starting with 110. Okay, and remaining, how many times are remaining? It is 2 to the power 29. Now again I will consider this part whose first 3 MSB are 111. So I chosen like this way. So already first 3 MSB are 111. Again I choose another next MSB. It may be again 0 and again 1. So with 0 I can generate 1110 and rest, 1110 and rest, and with 1 1111 to 1111. Okay, this part is nothing but it is how many. So how many number we can generate? It is 2 to the power 28, because 2 to the power 29 I am dividing 2 to the power 29 into 2 parts, taking 1 bit. So it is 2 to the power 28 this part and 2 to the power 28 this part. So this part is called, the thing which is begin with 1110 is called nothing but class D, and this part is called class E. Okay. Now there is one calculation which I want to say that. So what we'll get in class A, 2 to the power 31, see 2 to the power 31 IP address is present. In class B, 2 to the power 30 IP address is present. For the class C, it is 2 to the power 29 IP address is present. For the class D, 2 to the power 28, 2 to the power 28 IP address is present. And for the class E, 2 to the power 28 IP address is present. Okay. Is it clear? Okay.